Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the highly anticipated Canon EOS R7 Mark II. Canon's APS-C mirrorless lineup has been a game-changer, and with the upcoming release of the EOS R7 Mark II, the company aims to push the boundaries of performance, image quality, and innovation. But will this be a groundbreaking upgrade or just a minor refinement? Let's break down everything we know so far about the Canon EOS R7 Mark II, including its potential specifications, price, release date, and features. Canon EOS R7 Mark II. What to expect? The Canon EOS R7 made waves in the APS-C market, offering a 32.5 MP sensor, dual-pixel CMOS AF2, and high-speed burst shooting. Now, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to bring major improvements, making it a must-have for photographers and videographers alike. The biggest upgrades likely include a new sensor, improved autofocus, enhanced video capabilities, and better ergonomics. New sensor and image processing enhancements. One of the biggest rumors surrounding the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is the introduction of an updated sensor. While the 32.5 MP resolution might be retained, speculation suggests that Canon could introduce a stacked or backside illuminated sensor. This would significantly boost readout speed, reduce rolling shutter, and enhance low-light performance. Pairing this with Canon's latest Digic-X processor or an upgraded version, the EOS R7 Mark II could deliver faster image processing for reduced lag, better dynamic range for richer colors and improved shadow detail, enhanced noise reduction for shooting in low-light conditions, increased burst speed, potentially reaching 30 FPS in electronic shutter mode. These improvements could put the Canon EOS R7 Mark II in direct competition with Sony's A6700 and Fujifilm's X-T5, making it one of the most powerful APS-C cameras on the market. Revolutionary autofocus system? Autofocus is an area where Canon consistently excels, and the EOS R7 Mark II is expected to take things up a notch. While the current dual-pixel CMOS AF2 is already impressive, rumors indicate that the Mark II version will feature AI-powered subject tracking, similar to what we see in the Canon EOS R3 and R6 Mark II. Possible autofocus improvements include better eye detection for humans, animals, and vehicles, faster tracking speeds for high-speed action photography, increased focus accuracy in complex lighting conditions. For wildlife, sports, and event photographers, these enhancements could make the EOS R7 Mark II the best APS-C mirrorless camera for action-packed shooting scenarios. 4K 120 FPS. A video powerhouse? On the video front, the original EOS R7 already delivered 4K 60p oversampled footage and 10-bit C-Log3 for impressive color grading flexibility. However, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could introduce 4K 120 FPS recording, making it a serious contender against the Fujifilm X, H2S and Sony A6700. Other potential video improvements include reduced rolling shutter thanks to the improved sensor design, enhanced thermal management to prevent overheating, 12-bit raw video output via HDMI for professional-grade footage. If Canon implements better cooling solutions, the EOS R7 Mark II could become a favorite among content creators, vloggers, and filmmakers. In-body image stabilization upgrades. Canon's IBIS technology is already among the best, but further refinements in the EOS R7 Mark II could make handheld shooting even smoother. This is particularly beneficial for run-and-gun videographers who don't want to rely on a gimbal. Key IBIS upgrades might include advanced stabilization algorithms for better low-light shooting, reduced microjitters in handheld video, improved coordination with lens-based stabilization for more precise correction, build quality, design, and ergonomics. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is expected to retain a compact and lightweight build, but with subtle ergonomic refinements to enhance usability. Features such as improved grip design for better handling, weather sealing enhancements for durability, higher resolution electronic viewfinder, more customizable buttons and dials. These upgrades could make the EOS R7 Mark II a dream camera for hybrid shooters, offering the best of both worlds for photography and videography. Battery life and connectivity. Another area of potential improvement is battery efficiency. With a more power-efficient Digic processor and sensor, the EOS R7 Mark II could offer longer shooting times, reducing the need to swap batteries frequently. Additionally, Enhanced connectivity features such as faster Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for quick file transfers, USB-C with direct charging support, dual SD card slots for professional workflows. These additions would further cement the EOS R7 Mark II as a top-tier APS-C camera for professionals and enthusiasts. Canon EOS R7 Mark II. Price and release date. While Canon has yet to officially confirm the release date, industry insiders speculate that the EOS R7 Mark II could be announced by early 2025. As for pricing, the original EOS R7 launched at around $1,500, making it one of the best value APS-C cameras. With the expected upgrades, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II could see a slight price increase, potentially landing between $1,700 to $1,900. Even at this price point, it would remain a competitive option against Sony's A6700 and Fujifilm's X-T5/X H2S. Final thoughts. Is it worth the hype? The Canon EOS R7 Mark II is shaping up to be an exceptional APS-C mirrorless camera, offering a blend of high-speed performance, superior autofocus, improved video capabilities, and ergonomic refinements. If Canon successfully addresses rolling shutter issues, overheating concerns, and battery life, the EOS R7 Mark II could easily dominate the APS-C market. Whether you're into wildlife photography, action sports, vlogging, or filmmaking, this camera is expected to deliver top-tier performance at a reasonable price.